Welcome to this video on Sagittarius Ascendant, also known as Dhanu Lagna in Vedic astrology. Sagittarius Ascendants are known for being deeply religious and spiritually inclined. Among all the 12 ascendants, they're often considered the most devoted to their faith. They have a strong belief in God and are often seen visiting temples, wearing religious symbols, and following spiritual practices with great dedication. Physically, Sagittarius Ascendants tend to have a large and impressive build. Their physical structure is often broad and strong, reflecting their larger-than-life personality. They exude confidence and carry themselves with a regal presence. In relationships, Sagittarius Ascendants might face complexities. There is often a possibility of two significant relationships in their lives. Sometimes, a relationship during college days doesn't last, and they later settle down with someone else. This duality in relationships is a unique aspect of their life journey. While they are highly knowledgeable and proud of their wisdom, Sagittarius Ascendants can sometimes struggle to empathize with others' pain. Their strong focus on their beliefs and intellect may make it difficult for them to relate to others on an emotional level. Religious devotion is a cornerstone of their personality. Whether they follow Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, or any other faith, Sagittarius Ascendants are deeply committed to their religious practices. For example, they may regularly visit temples or offer daily prayers with unwavering discipline. However, their focus on religion can sometimes overshadow their connection to humanity and compassion. In summary, Sagittarius Ascendants are spiritual, confident, and intellectually driven individuals. While their strong beliefs and impressive personality make them stand out, they should strive to balance their devotion with empathy for others. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on other ascendants.